ago, CNN Pasado, there was a famous magician called Harry Houdini. His record for this trick is 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 100 years later is the world record, about 1.5 minutes. And for you today, I'm going to attempt my personal best, 38 minutes and 49 seconds. What do you expect? But folks, then seriously, can anyone give me 2 minutes on the clock? Just out of curiosity, has anyone got a stopwatch? Has anybody got a stopwatch? Cheers, thank you so much, the young man. Here, first up. Now, put a, that's it. You've got to, yeah, go under. Oh, yeah. Keep under, yeah, with the trap. Yo, yeah, 2, that's it, yeah. That's it. It's like that. Oh, that's that. Okay, alright. Quando come out of show, yeah? Alright, balance. Good? He's very good. Alright, okay. He's too good. Okay, we'll bring it down like this. Alright, over my left shoulder. This shoulder. Good. That's time. Now, can you guys please come in the middle? That was kind of key. Okay? Alright? And this is the next step. Okay? Alright. Wait. Okay, we're not ready there yet. Okay? Now, Riot, alright, you now have to get down on your hands and knees, and you have to fall through my legs and pass the chain through my legs. Everybody from Jordan has to do this. Everybody. Come, yeah, we're going back. Okay. He doesn't want to. Okay. Alright, well, Jose, let's get it over and done with you first. Okay? Through the legs, with the chain. Alright? Everybody from Barcelona as well. We go. Over here. Here. Taxi! Okay, folks, well, they've done quite good. What I have to do now, folks, doesn't actually really do anything, but it just makes the trick look more difficult than it actually is. Now, if I roll around on the ground, you think that I'm actually doing something difficult, but really it's not. Let's face it, I do this 2 times every day. Alright, so first of all, the chain. I know, it's stupid, isn't it? First the chain. Use that now. Okay, now here's the hard part, the jacket. Okay, the hard part of the jacket. 1. See, what I'm trying to do now is create the illusion of dislocating my arm so I can get my head through my arms, alright? I'm not really doing that because I'm an actor, and let's face it, I'm not a real magician, alright? Okay, well that would be good, wouldn't it? Otherwise I wouldn't even be here. Here we go, let's just do it anyway, because it looks good. Okay, here we go. 1. I've got to do this 3 times, because it says power of 3. 2. Ow! That was just an effect. And now third time lucky. 3. No, it's too quick. No, it's too quick. No. Give me another 10 minutes. Another 10 seconds. Alright. Well, folks, here we go. The arms. I've started, so I finished. Almost there. Almost. It's a boy. It's too quick. It's too good. Sorry about the view. Now, where are you going? I didn't go when you got here. Okay, now the whole entire jacket. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. All the best.